What's the drinking rules? Only drink when you die. Yes, and then whenever. Oh, I'm only drink when I die, and whenever I feel like it. Yes. I was gonna put it in chat. Hold on. 1 drink equals. Don't look at that. 1. Oh wait, no. It's the other way around. 1 death equals 1 shot. And then exclamation point death. Stop getting angry! Okay. And then I do that, and then I pin it. Oh! Oh! Okay, now it's pinned. Now I did it! Now I did it! I have not drank anything yet. I swear to you. I swear to you. I know, right? I'm learning! Guess what else I learned? I learned how to put it on, actually put the death counter on the screen. Oh my god, I'm so fucking smart. Fucking Bill Gates needs to suck my dick right now. I'm so smart. Okay. She's got a nice little. She's got no boobs, but that's okay. I wasn't gonna see that. True. Okay, save to favorites. Yes. She looks great. She looks so stupid with clothes on. We did it! Woo! Only an hour and a half went in, and we barely only an hour and a half in. Yes. Yeah, let's see. Can Blue finish the tutorial? I can barely open a fucking door. It's beautiful. Really fucking ugly, but beautiful at the same time. Who the fuck is this guy? Oh, it's beautiful. I almost died there. Oh wait, okay, fine. Almost died there. Well done! Here, thank you. Liar ahead. Of course, of course. Who should I believe? Fuck! No! Okay. Shot time! Mystic, can you do exclamation point space or exclamation point death space plus? Okay. Cheers! Clink! Oh look, it went to 2! That's so cool! I'm a streamer, guys! I'm a streamer! Yeah! I'm a real streamer! I did not know how to do this at all. At all for the longest time. Do you guys want to know how long I've been streaming? Almost 2 years. I could not figure out how to do this until recently. Aren't I so smart? Thank you for the praise. Thank you for the praise. For the real praise, the real life praise. Yay! Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Praise me more. Praise the Blue. See, it feels good when it's deserved. Who would ever do that? Exactly. What the hell? Ow. I don't even know how to do anything. Ow. Did I die? What's happening? Oh, the mist! this the tutorial boss that you guys are talking about? Counter Mama. Fuck! This is not fair. I had like 2 health. Oh man, the button stopped working again! Why is the button never... Okay, shot time. Yeah, the button doesn't want to work. Cheers! Clink! You son of a bitch. I am wife! I am wife! Yeah. Aw. What is that, a goat? Right in the asshole. I feel kind of bad about that. Yeah, I straight up just look sunburned. Finger your enemies too hard. I'm going to finger all my enemies! Everyone who dares cross my path will be fingered! Do you think I can fight that guy? I don't think I can. Hi, Ronaldo! Aww, I love you too, Moose. Ah! Who is this guy? Who's that guy? Oh, I don't do any damage to him. Oh, my lord! Lord, have mercy on my butt. On my slice. Ah! What the fuck? I do not consent to this. I do not consent to this. He literally fucking slit my ankles. He cut me in my ankles and killed me. What the fuck? What the? Okay, another shot. But drink this vodka down the hatch. Use your safe word. Phalange! Clink. Cheers. Ooh. That's delicious. You've never... Oh my fucking... Whom you've never met in real life. How did I didn't mean to run into him again. I was just... Oh, suck my nuts. I'm on X Games mode. You can't catch me. Okay. I did not mean to just walk up on him. Okay, let's go. Pink delicious killer, she's mean. I do want you, stupid. Good night, Chief. I hope you have the least grace of dreams and the sleepiest of sleeps. Good night. Okay, let's take another one. This is getting worse. Hi, Calvin. I hope you have a good night. Yes. Yes. This is going to be rough. Good thing I like it rough. Cheers. I didn't finish it. Oh look, ASMR. That's my nails on the shot glass. Anyways. I mean, you can have me forever, I don't mind. Something's gonna kill me, I guess. What the hell? What the fuck was that? I don't even know where I'm supposed to go. Okay, SWAT time. Cheers. Clink. Ugh. No, it's not moonshine. I can't believe you believe me. On the face, okay, and I don't like. Doesn't mean I should be ugly. Yeah, because. Oh fuck! I forgot to spray. I died. Well, when you get home, show it to me, please. Please, whatever that is. One more. I'm almost done with this bottle. Good thing I have another one, though. Cheers. Clink. Another bottle. Try it. I forgot about this one. I can't believe it. I forgot about that one. What? Okay, good night, Moose. I hope you had the least of dreams and the slimiest of sleeps. Be careful. And good night, Oswald. I hope you have the least of dreams and the slimiest of sleeps, too. Thank you, Moose, for that last minute. Big 1K before the, what? 1K what? 1K deaths? I hope not. Cheers! Ah! Oh my god, I forgot you have to pick up runes. I totally forgot about that. Shitty me. Stoopy Blue. Oh, there's one right there. I know you're not a statue. Ah! Ooh. Ah! Oh my god! Why? 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 Oh, fuck, I'm big! And I'm frozen. Why am I frozen? I'm big and frozen! I'll have to put my own death now, don't I? Okay, I'm feeling it now, to be honest with you. I'm definitely feeling it. Let's take another one, baby. And then I'll fix myself. Cheers! I'm feeling it. I can't do a French accent. Croissant? Ah! Zombie! Croissant! Is that the lever? Oh my fucking god. Fucking croissant. Okay. Here's another shot. And that's the end of bottle 1, baby. Clink! Oh, here's to 10 deaths! Cheers to 10 deaths, my... Motherfuck! That's true. You're right about that. Manaless behavior. Yeah, that's true. I don't have a... Oh my god! This game just likes to fucking fuck you in the anal cavity, don't it? Okay. Another shot, here we go. I'm opening this one. This one is a peach flavored. Peach flavor, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yeah. Damn, they don't got Xbox in Sorry. Cheers. Oh, God. Thank you for this. Thank you for subbing, guys. I love it. I love you. It's super low alcohol, so you gotta like drink a lot of it, but it tastes like nothing. So it's like better than, it's like more alcohol than like a mixed drink or like a beer or a wine, but less than like, oh fuck. Oh my god, my controller disconnected! Ah! Is that a giant cat? What's the difference between the arc and the pebble? Oh my god. It's so fucking... That one's... Ah! That one's 60. They do the same damn... Oh, I died. Okay, gotta take another one. I am pretty drunk. I should rest. I should have thought about that. After 11 shots, I can confidently say I'm drunk. pebble. I guess the arch is good for like like multiple enemies, I guess, because they do pretty much the same damage. So I'm gonna stick with the pebble for the boss fight. Oh man! Okay, another shot. This is not going good. This is not going well. I might become smashed. I might become completely fucked up. I might get totally slime smashed. Cheers. Yeah, don't worry, slimes don't have livers. It's okay. Slimes don't have any internal organs at all, actually. How about it? Don't know, why not? I will do one, that is a great idea. Ah, puta madre, ah, chinga tu madre. Ay, chinga mi madre. That is an amazing, wonderful, amazing idea. Wonderful, sexy idea. What song should I switch? It has to be copyright free because YouTube is so mean when it comes to copyrights. Okay, come inside then, child. Come on. I'm gonna close the door on you. Bam! Okay, another death. Last grass I touched. Okay, another shot. Oh, they're all gonna be alive again, you're right. No, but they were easy, it was just that one guy. Cheers! Clink! Sorry. Hentai says you're cute, but not as cute as me. He said, I'm sorry, Ari, but Blue is the cutest thing that's ever lived in this planet. Okay. I'm gonna take another one. Oh, thank you, Mystic! I didn't know you were here! I didn't know you were here still. Thank you. Take another one, baby. 15 shots, baby. I'm halfway done with this bottle. Ari, please. Mummy is trying to get some maidens. Cheers! Clink! Mummy is trying to get some maidens, Ari. Please, be a good wing cat and help me get some maidens. I'm getting fucked over here. I'm getting bloody fucked right in the arse, and you're just sitting there meowing like you know what's going on. You really just gonna sit there and meow when your mother's getting fucked in the arse? Do you not care about your mother? I'm your mother! I am your mother! And you don't care while I'm getting literally gangbanged by a bunch of fucking rotten corpses and you don't fucking care! All you want to do is get butt scratches! That's all you want is butt scratches from your mother she's literally bleeding out. Okay. There. She's got the treasure downstairs, but not the weapons. I got a lot going on downstairs, but nothing going on upstairs. I'm getting dizzy. Ah! Get another shot down the hatch. Okay, wait. I need to drink some water. Alright, get some water. Oh, my butt cheeks hurt. Guess what? I'm fresh out of fucks to give. I'm okay, I had to get some water. And then I had to pee. And then I need to take my shot. Honestly, I'm not dying as much as I thought I would. I'm actually amazing at this game. Or, look, I will be honest with you, like, I can't tell if it's like I'm surprisingly like adequate at this game or I'm just have been getting super lucky. I really can't tell. But cheers! Clink! Thank you, Mystic. Ow, 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 that hurt. The soju cut me. Oh. Oh my god, I'm bleeding! I've been attacked by the soju! It's just a little bit of blood. I've been attacked by the soju. Betrayed! Ouchie! Oh well. A little bit of blood never killed anybody. Except people that bleed to death. Oh, my mommy! Wait, I kind of sound like Muscle Man there. My mom! Ow. Ow. You know who else? Oh, wait, what does he say? You know who else plays Elden Ring? My mom! Which was weird. Think I can make this jump? No. I don't think I could make it. Strength right now. No, wait, not pregnancy. I mean drug. I meant drug strength, not pregnancy. No, I meant drug strength. I meant drug strength, not pregnant. I meant drunk. Drug strength. What? Who's the father? You are? You're the father, chat! I didn't mean it. I don't know why. I don't know. Okay, cheers. toaster oven on another country. I'm the oven. How did you even die like that? That was close. That was real close. Hey, fuck you, man. Okay, another one. I'm really drunk at this point. We're almost at 20 deaths though. What, do I get a prize for being 20 deaths? Do I? Cheers. No, I didn't. I'm stupid. I didn't know there was one there. I didn't see one. What? Ooh, bald eagles! Wow! Oh. Okay. Take a shot. I wanted to kill the eagles. Okay, cheers. Clink. That's 20 deaths. Woo! I think you should guys get a reward for 20 deaths for you. That wasn't my hands clapping. That was also not my hands clapping. And I will see you guys tomorrow. I love you guys so very much. It was super fun. I'm literally 2 fucking milliseconds away from poo. I'm not, just kidding, haha.